Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check block calls on iPhone. But before we begin with this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your settings app, and once you have opened it, you want to scroll down until you see phone or messages, either works. Let's tap on phone. And then you want to scroll down and you see blocked accounts, and these are all the accounts you have blocked. If you click on edit and on the minus icon, you can unblock those accounts. If I just go from right to the left, you can unblock them that way. Other way to see your blocked accounts is to go back, click on messages, and as you can see here, blocked accounts, you will see the same thing. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem down below and I'll do my best to help you.